Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of ID Tips. Last week Niantic did lot of announcements regarding Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go was updated to version 1.70 for iOS devices, so I'm here with the latest Pokemon Go Plus Plus hack. And also thank you event is going on in which you will get double XP and double Stardust till 30th November. And also a big news came. Ditto can be finally captured. Yes, Ditto has finally be in Pokemon Go. So what you need to do is you just have to catch Pidgeys, Rattatas, Magikarps and Zubat and most common Pokemons. And they are just transforming into Ditto. Some of them are just hidden. Ditto is hidden in them. So what you need to do is you need to capture them. Whenever you will capture them, there would be an animation and it would transform to Ditto. So let me show you the features of Pokemon Go Plus Plus and how can it help you to catch Pokemons or Ditto. So you can see this is the Pokemon Go Plus Plus. It is looking like a normal app. It has a joystick but it won't work. So what we need to do is just click this menu, go to settings and just turn on fake location. And time to save location should be forever if you want. Okay, so now what you need to do is just go back. And now you can see sometimes the app stops. So what we need to do is just restart the app. So now you will see it will finally move. Now you can see. So now you can see I can move. So this is the use of joystick. And now you can see there is Zikanes nearby. Just click here. And it will automatically take you towards Zikanes. You can see. And now you can capture it if you want. So let us see if I can capture it or not. So let's try after some time. That's my last try. Let's try it after some time. So the next option is this Pokemon Go radar. With this you can move. Like I want to go here. Just tap walk here and done. And it will move towards that. And now you can see there's a Sandshrew. If I click this Sandshrew, it will take me towards the Sandshrew. You can see. So let me show you the next feature. Next is the IVs. It will show you the IVs of your Pokemon. You can see it is showing me the IVs of my Pokemons. You don't need to calculate. This is the best feature of this hack, I think so. Just click this flag and it will just roam around and hatch eggs and count kilometers for you. If you don't want to play, just turn on the game and just walk with it. Next is the speed. 1x, 2x, 4x, 8x. I personally think 1x and 2x are best. In 4x, kilometers are not counted. In 8x, you can also get soft man. So next one is also if you click this man, you can walk without the joystick. You can use without the joystick, you can see. And next is the home button, that's of no use. And next is the hide button. It will just hide the menu. And if you triple click it, it will come back again. 1, 2, 3. You can see. It will just come back again. So this is the latest version. And nothing new here. Also the some Pokemon were nerfed and some Pokemon were buffed. You can see my Rhydon just went to 2900. It was nearly about 1900 something. And my Vaporeon was near 2200. So you can see. So now let me how you can get this is you need just a laptop and laptops or computer device to install this app. So I'm going to show you how it's done. So let's go. I have already done a video on how to do this. So I'm just attaching my old tutorial on how to do it, and the latest links would be in the in the description box below, so you can check them out. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos just subscribe to our channel. This is in the signing off. Hey guys, what you need to do now is just download CDI Impactor. The link will be in the description, and download the IPA file from this link. The link would be in the description. So now what we need to do is I will show you what you need to do. Just click download through your browser and you will be done. I am just closing it because I am already having that file. Leave. So now just wait for the Impactor to download. Now you can see Impactor now just open the Impactor. Just click here, extract all, wherever you want. Now just before doing this step, connect your iPhone. Now you can see as my iPhone has connected, iTunes is open up. So just close it. Now just open the Impactor, just run, and now here you can see Indrajit's iPhone. So now what we need to do, I'm going to show you now. I have the Pokemon IPA file. This will be the IPA file. So now just drag this IPA file here. Enter your email address, email login used for downloading, Apple ID, and enter the password. Now just hit enter. Now wait for it to install. Now just click OK. Now the file will automatically extract to your phone. Just let the process complete and I will show you. Signing in. Now we are going to see. Now when it just complete, you will see an icon on your phone. So what you need to do is just go to settings, general, device management, and trust the developer. The developer will be your email login. You will be the developer, so just trust it. And after that, play Pokemon Go. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video really, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share my video as possible. See you next time.